Here we are with the household acid base lab. Make sure you read the objective and rewrite it in your own words under the purpose. Read the procedure and follow all the procedures, making your predictions first, and follow all safety precautions, including wearing goggles and being very cautious with ammonia. Then read all your pre-lab questions and fill them in. Then follow the data table from left to right because it follows an orderly manner. Here is our lab setup. We have our testing strips, red and blue litmus paper, and pH paper with the color chart. We have our probe, which is in our substance already. And we have the veneer handheld data recorder, and it's already set to capture pH data. So our substance here is tomatoes, and our observations is that it is red liquid, that it does not feel slippery, it has a scent to it, and I'm not going to taste it because I don't know how many fingers have been in and out of this. Based on these observations, we need to then predict if we think it's an acid or a base. Now we're going to place the red litmus paper into the tomatoes, and it stayed red. Now we're going to place the blue litmus paper into the tomatoes, and oh, look at that, it turned red. When it goes from blue to red, that means it's an acid or acid. Blue to red, acid. And now we're going to do our pH. Get that in, and we're going to compare it on the chart. Let's see, it looks like it's about maybe around a 4. So we have now filled in our blue and red paper. Our approximate pH came from the pH paper that we just put in, and now we're going to do our actual pH. And the actual pH is read by the probe, which is already in the substance, and we can see that it is 4.31. There you go, that's our actual pH. Now you're left to decide if it's an acid or a base, and then we're going to use the conductivity tester to see if it is an electrolyte. And then proceed on to lab station 2.